Replace a WaxStop filter. Replace the WaxStop filter whenever it is clogged with wax or whenever the volume reduces. Remove a new WaxStop tool from its shell. The tool has two ends, one with the removal tool and one with the new filter. Insert the removal tool into the existing wax filter. Pull the used filter out slowly, keeping the tool straight. Turn the tool around and insert the new filter into the sound outlet. Carefully pull the tool free and dispose of the used tool and filter. Replace the power dome or plus dome.